Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 6.3 10th and 11th problem. 10th and 11th problem. First 10th problem, CD and GH. CD, this line CD and GH are respectively the bisector of the angle ACB. Bisector of the angle means these two angles are equal. Angle ACD and angle DCB are equal. And EGF, this is also a bisector. This line is a bisector. So these two angles are equal. That is FGH and HGH. Clear all of you? If the full angle is 60 degree means, if the full angle is 60 degree means this is 30 degree and this one is 30 degree. It means that bisector. Clear Kana? Then such that D and H lies on the sides AB and FE of a triangle ABC and EFG respectively. And they said that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle FEG. Both the triangles are similar. Since both the triangles are similar, we can tell that all the angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle G. Both the angles are equal. If this is 60 degree, this one also 60 degree. If this is 60 degree means what about this one? GH is a bisector line. So this is 30 degree and this one is 30 degree. So both the angles, this angle and this angle is equal, and this angle and this angle is equal. Clear Kana? Is there is any doubt? Since this is a bisector, CD is a bisector of this whole angle, we can tell that these two angles are equal. If this is 60 degree, this is 30 and this one is 30. And here GH is a bisector of the angle EGF. So this angle and this angle is equal. Since the two triangles are similar, all the angles are equal. So we can we can tell that ACD FGH and DCB HGE. Clear? So now we start with the problem. So first what you have to write in the given? What you have to write? CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of triangle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. And one more thing, that is triangle ABC is similar to the triangle FEG, is similar to the triangle FEG. First I am going to prove the first one, CD. To prove CD divided by GH, AC divided by FG. So first see, where is CD? Okay, where is CD? Here it is. CD divided by GH, AC divided by FG. Clear? So these two sides are in same proportion means which triangle we have to prove it is similar. To prove the corresponding sides are in proportion, which two triangles we have to take to prove similar. Which triangle we have to take? This triangle ACD and GFH. If we prove that these two triangles are similar, means we can tell that corresponding sides are in proportion. Clear? So first, to prove the corresponding sides are in proportion, I am going to take a triangle. In triangle ADC and triangle FHG. First I have taken the triangle. After that, how we can tell that the two triangles are similar? How we can tell that the two triangles are similar? Already I said no, this angle and this angle is equal. How it is? How it is, Kana? This is the bisector and these two angles are equal, and the GH is a bisector. These two angles are equal. Since the two triangles are similar, I can tell that angle C, angle G. If this is 60 degree, means this is also 60 degree. This is A and F also equal, and B and E is also equal. So in that two triangle, I can tell that angle A is equal to angle F, because the two triangles are similar. First I am going to tell that one, angle A. Remaining is D and C. Here F. Remaining is H and G, because it is given triangle ABC similar to the triangle EFEG. Next we have to tell that angle C is equal to angle G. How we can prove? For that I am going to take the full angle. For that I am going to take a full angle ACB and FGE. ACB and angle FGE. Since the two triangles are similar, I can tell that the angles are equal. That CD is a bisector, so I am going to divide by 1 by 2. I am going to divide this angle equally. Okay, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2 on both the sides. If we divide by 2, then we will get a half a portion. I said no, if whole angle is 60 degree, if we divide it by 2, means this is 30 degree and this one is 30 degree. That's why I divided here by 2 and I got the half a portion. ACD. ACD. Clear? ACD is equal to FGH. FGH, half a portion. So now I proved that these two angles are equal. Clear? And then the remaining side is also equal. DCB and HGE is also equal. That's only I have written here. Mark this as equation 1 and equation 2. Then I'm going to take the first one here to prove these two triangles are congruent. Already I said that angle A and F are equal, and now I proved that C and G is equal. From 1 by AAA similarity criterion, triangle ADC is similar to the triangle FHG. So now we proved that the two triangles are similar. Okay. Then since the triangle ADC is similar to the triangle FHG, we can tell that the corresponding sides will be proportion. So AC divided by FG is equal to CD divided by GH. So corresponding sides will be proportional. So if proved that AC divided by FG is equal to CD divided by GH. Clear? And then second one, what we have to prove? to prove that triangle DCB is similar to the triangle HGE. Now you have to prove that the two triangles are similar. How we can prove that the two triangles are similar? What are the two triangles? See here, DCB, this portion. This triangle and HGE, this triangle. So, how we can prove this? By AA criterion of similarity. I am going to prove this theorem. Angle B is equal to angle E, since the whole triangles are similar. And then I can tell that these two angles are equal. So by AA criterion of similarity, I can tell that the two triangles are similar. Clear? So first I am going to take a triangle. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle B, here angle E, angle B, angle E. Clear? Remaining is D, C and H, G. Since triangle ABC is similar to the triangle FGE. Clear? Then we proved that angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. From 2 I can write DCB is equal to HGE from 2 by AAA similarity criterion triangle DCB is similar to the triangle HGE. So now we proved that the two triangles are similar. Clear all of you? Next one, third subdivision, DCA is where is DCA? DCA, this triangle, blue color triangle, and HGF. Just now we proved that the two triangles are similar. After that only we concluded that the corresponding sides are equal. Clear? So we already proved this one. That is ADC. Here it is. ADC is similar to the triangle HGF. Clear all of you? Is there any doubt? So for the third subdivision already we proved in the first part. After that only we concluded that the corresponding sides are proportional. Clear? Thank you. Next, 11th problem in exercise 6.3. In a figure, E is a point on the side CB, produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. Since ABC is a isosceles triangle, we can tell that any two sides will be equal. No? So they mentioned that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. If AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, then prove that the triangle ABD is similar to the triangle ECF. Clear? You have to prove that the two triangle, which two triangle kana? ABD is similar to the triangle ECF. Is similar to the triangle ECF. Can you guess by which similarity criterion we can prove that the two triangles are similar? Can you guess? This angle and this angle each 90 degree. So we can take this angle. We can take this angle. Okay. Then one more things we have to prove. No, they said that the side AB and AC is equal. We can't take one side. We don't have a criteria SA alone. We have only AA criterion. Okay, so for that we have to think how we can prove by the given. So AB is equal to AC. So sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal, and angles opposite to equal sides are equal. We have two theorem. We studied two theorems in 9th standard. I'm going to apply that. Angles opposite to the equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So now by AA criterion, similarity criterion, we can prove that the two triangles are similar. Clear Kanna? Here they said, we know that this angle and this angle is 90 degree, and they said AB is equal to AC. We don't have any criterion like this SA. We don't have any criterion SA. So only we have AA. We can choose AA, but we want one more angle. We have to tell that one more angle is equal. No? For that, from the given only we have to identify that angle B and this angle C are equal. By using the theorem, angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Clear Kanna? So first take the two triangle, proof. First you have to write the given. E is the point on the side CB. It is given in the question itself. E is the point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC, with the AB is equal to AC and AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC. Everything given in the question itself, and write to prove that the triangle ABD is similar to the triangle ECF. Clear? Next, proof. In triangle, first you have to take that two triangle ABD and triangle ECF. What I said here, angle B, angle D. Remaining things you have to write side of that. Okay, and then here F. Remaining things EC. Clear? And then this is each 90 degree, each 90 degree. And next one is this one, angle B and angle C. Since we can write here, since AB is equal to AC, we can tell that the angle B and the remaining thing is AD. Here C, remaining thing is EF. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. The angles are equal. Since the sides are equal, we can tell that the opposite angles are equal. Clear? So, by similarity criterion, triangle ABD similar to the triangle ECF. So from the question we have to identify that which two triangle we have to take, and by which similarity criterion we are going to prove this theorem. That is very, very important. Clear all of you? Thank you.